Most of us think we're good with money paying bills, avoiding splurges, but we're likely spending more than we realize. I challenged myself to live on an extremely tight budget for 30 days, tracking every dollar and cutting out all non-essentials. No online shopping, no fancy dinners, no new gadgets, just the basics. I quickly learned that spending habits are deeply ingrained, tied to convenience and social routines. The first week was a shock. I saw how much I paid for small conveniences and forgotten subscriptions. Forced to get creative, I found free entertainment and mastered meal prepping. This experiment made me question everything I thought I knew about my own spending. Why is it so hard to get ahead financially? Because the system is designed to make us spend. We're bombarded by ads everywhere, selling not just products but lifestyles and a sense of urgency. Companies use sophisticated marketing to tap into our emotions and insecurities, making rational decisions tough. On top of that, most of us never learned real financial skills in school. No budgeting, no investing, no debt management. This lack of education, combined with relentless marketing, sets us up for financial struggles. Many hardworking people live paycheck to paycheck, not from lack of effort, but because of these invisible forces. Recognizing this is the first step to taking back control. Social pressure is a powerful force pushing us to spend. No one wants to be the one who says no to outings or trips. Social media amplifies this, making it seem like everyone is living luxuriously. We fear missing out, so we overspend to keep up, even if it means debt. The pressure is often subtle group plans, casual invites, or just wanting to fit in. Breaking free means prioritizing your financial health over short-term validation and finding affordable ways to connect. Honest conversations with friends can lead to more meaningful, budget-friendly experiences. The frugal elite aren't rich. They're just masters at living below their means. They know exactly where their money goes and make intentional choices. They ruthlessly separate needs from wants, focusing on what truly matters. Used cars, home-cooked meals, and skipping unnecessary upgrades are their norm. They optimize every dollar, using deals, negotiating bills, and buying second-hand. Saving money is a game, not a sacrifice. Their secret isn't deprivation, but being smart and strategic. They prove you can live well by being intentional with your choices. Want to join the frugal elite? Start with a budget. It's your plan for financial freedom, not a restriction. A budget is simply knowing your income, listing fixed expenses, and tracking variable ones. For 1 month, write down every expense, no matter how small. At the end, categorize and total your spending. You'll be surprised by what you find. This clarity lets you cut back on what doesn't matter and redirect money toward your goals. Cancel unused subscriptions, reduce takeout, and assign every dollar a job. A budget transforms you from a passive spender to the architect of your financial life. It's the first step to real financial control. Creating a budget is just the start. The real change comes from tracking your expenses consistently. Recording every purchase makes you mindful and accountable, like a fitness tracker for your wallet. That pause before logging a purchase helps break impulsive spending. Tracking reveals hidden patterns, small daily buys that add up fast. Once you spot these leaks, you can make small changes with big impact. This habit builds financial awareness and confidence, replacing anxiety with control. It's a simple shift that transforms your relationship with money. Take Sarah, a graphic designer who looked successful but was buried in debt. Overwhelmed, she decided to change. She created a budget, faced her numbers, and adopted frugal habits. She meal prepped, cancelled subscriptions, started a side hustle, and had honest talks with friends about her goals. Her friends supported her, and she tracked every dollar, attacking her debt with determination. In 2 years, she paid off her credit cards and made huge progress on student loans. The process was tough, but seeing her balances shrink was empowering. Sarah went from drowning in debt to swimming toward a future she controlled. Her story shows what's possible with focus and frugality. Sarah's journey wasn't just about money. She gained confidence and control over her life. The anxiety about finances disappeared, replaced by a sense of empowerment. She became more assertive at work and intentional in her personal life. With debt under control, she had options: new career paths, travel, or further education. The mental energy once spent on worry was now used for creativity and long-term goals. She found lasting happiness in simple, free activities and meaningful relationships. True wealth, she learned, is about freedom and peace of mind, not spending. Sarah's story is one of many. People everywhere are rejecting consumerism for intentional, empowered living. Join the movement. Try your own 30-day frugal experiment. Start with a simple budget and track your spending for a month. Cut back in one or two areas and put that money toward a meaningful goal. You'll learn about yourself, build discipline, and find creative ways to enjoy life for less. Share your tips and wins in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else. Let's build a community of frugal warriors, supporting each other on the path to financial freedom. The journey starts with one small step. Take it today.